I have Vscode icons looking very boring. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make those boring icons become interesting. I'm using Vscode and I'm working on a Flutter project. So I find this extension very much interesting. So I'd like to share with you. So you can see my icons, the readme, the prospect.yaml, the web. You can see the icons of the files actually looking very interesting, and they are giving the developer vibes, as we can see, not those boring icons. So to achieve this, you can just go to extension folder. While your extension folder, you search Materia Icon theme. Let me extend this. So once you search, you're going to have this. This is it. And this is not actually a promotion for Materia Icon. This video, I just like sharing interesting things to you. So you see this, you click the install. I already have it installed. You click the install, and boom, you start having amazing and interesting project icons like this one. So if you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more interesting short videos like this, and you can follow our tutorials for WordPress, Flutter, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. Much love.